So today we are going to be making some really easy newspaper potting up spots because I am actually all out of my plastic containers and I want to just get some stuff potted up really quickly. So you will need newspaper. Use newspaper that does not have a wax film on it, because it is not the greatest. A little miniature mason jar and some tape, and that's it. This is a great project for your kids to do with you. My kid's doing slime beside me. So here we go. You're gonna take it and you're gonna roll your mason jar up. So roll it up about halfway from your paper. Then you're going to gift wrap.
Is that a tiny amount?
You'll see that it's starting to form a slime texture. So you just want to continue stirring it super slowly, and you also want to activate at the very slowly. You don't want to overactivate your slime, because then it will be super rubbery and not stretchy at all. So you just want to continue slowly adding your activator a little bit at a time, and then adding activator, mixing it, and just see how it's going. Every time you make slime, you have to add activator, so you really just need to see how the slime's going. So you can see here that it's still quite sticky, but it is starting to come away from the side of the bowl. And here I'm working with my hands just to help it form slime, because sometimes your slime has enough activator in it that we just need to start working with your hands and then we'll work together. So now we have this super soft and super stretchy slime. This is like the most amazing slime recipe. So if you're a beginner to making slime and you've never made it before and you want to try it, I would definitely recommend trying out this recipe. This is my go-to slime recipe, and whenever someone asks, what is the most easy slime I can make, this is the one that I recommend. And then to stir the slime when you're not using it, just pop it into an airtight container.
So all you want to do is take your paper pot, fill it, do a little tap down. There you go. Just a pot. Even more. We had a Dairy Queen cake from Sybil's birthday. Stick them right in here. And you have yourself awesome way to water and an awesome way to keep all your little recycled seed starters all in one spot. There you go. I'm gonna do some more too, so